Thank you for joining us again for Ohio Energy Project's Energy Efficiency Program. This quick video will walk you through the updates and changes made to the program this year. You will be receiving a new teacher guide, which includes lab sheets, answer keys, and master sheets. This guide also includes an optional pre-post assessment and student guide page references throughout to help with ease of instruction. Each of your students will receive a student guide, which includes lab instructions, data sheets, and background information, just as last year. New this year, all student guides will be perforated for ease of homework collection. The Family Installation Survey is key to this program's success. Please be sure to review this document prior to teaching the lessons. Based on feedback from last year, we encourage you to go over each section of the survey as you teach the corresponding lesson in class to help students understand the questions being asked of them. Installing the items in the student kits and reporting that installation is critical to the success and continued funding of the Energy Efficiency Program. Now, let's walk through each of the lessons and take a look at the updates for this year. Lesson 1. What is energy? Based on teacher feedback, the overall order of activities for Lesson 1 has been revised. You will also find a simplified energy transformations activity and worksheet. Lesson 2. Insulation, heating, and cooling. Included in your returning teacher materials, you will find 6 insulation containers with lids, as well as 6 digital thermometers that you can use with this lab. In your teacher guide, you will now find that this lesson now includes a lab tips sheet, complete with sample data for comparison to your classroom experiment. Lesson 3. Water heating. This lesson now includes an updated energy guide label. You can also use the 6 digital thermometers included in your returning teacher materials with this lab. These digital thermometers can be used to record water temperature and compare results to the hot water gauge measurements. Lesson 4. Lighting. Included in your returning teacher materials, you will find 1 pack of incandescent light bulbs, as well as 6 gooseneck lamps that you can use with this lab. You will also find that the orientation of the activity pages have been shifted for ease of use. Lesson 5. Appliances and machines. No outstanding changes have been made to this lesson. Lesson 6. What have we learned? This lesson now includes a Your Family rating activity. You will notice that each of the home activity sheets throughout all lessons include a question where students and their families can earn points. This activity allows students to add up those points and gives them a rating. Students can also make a savings plan with their family to apply their learning at home. The Family Installation Survey will work the same as last year. It will be available online, or you can choose to print out paper copies for your class. Copies are also available in Spanish. Surveys are due by April 15th. Stipends and following year program eligibility will again be based on survey return. You will receive $100 if you return 50% of your surveys, and $200 if you return 75% of your surveys. All of your login information will be the same as last year. Your username is your school email. Your password is your last name. Thank you for reviewing the updates for the Energy Efficiency Program this year. Please fill in the questions below and your supplies will be mailed to you. Thank you.